Well, I traced the right channel, not getting through relay RL302. So I thought, oh well, I'll just short the contacts across, ensuring that the Dolby is out and external is out and that it's in the middle position. So it should be a pass-through. And so I shorted the two pins for the relay for the right channel, and sure enough the right channel came up in the speakers and the headphones, but then the left channel disappeared. So what the hell is going on? This is weird. Oh well, carry on. Well, I'm not sure how this is going to succeed or not, but it would appear that certainly with the left channel, this is a switch for a relay as a switch that switches between playback and external input, and between the playback input, which is always there, and the playback input is on that set of pins, left and right. The output is intermittent when I play with the board, and the right hand one isn't there at all. Now I tried shorting that before and it just did weird things, but so I'm going to just have a play with this and see what I can find. I've got a little 9-volt battery I can use to energize it, even though it's 12 volts, 9 volts will be fine, and we'll see what happens. Ah, open. See, that should be short. In the normally closed position, that's the left and that's the right, and it's open. Yeah, the right one is it's not working with the normally closed or the normally open. A bit hard to see there, I know, sorry. But so this relay is faulty. Oh, well, there you go. But I may eventually try and get some new ones. I don't know how easy or difficult that is. So in the meantime, since it's not sealed at all, it's got a clear cover on it, let's see if we can repair it. Right, so take the lid off, and what have we got here? Well, yes, okay. The contacts are in here, and here, and this is your output leaf, which goes in between these two contacts here and these two here. Alright, now let's just see what happens with the battery, just for fun. See if it even works. Oh yes. I'll zoom into that. Yes, you can see that. Okay, now that gets a signal from the RAM board. I'm not even sure if that's working, but nonetheless, normally closed, it should be working in playback mode, which is all we want at the moment. So what can we do to try and fix it? Ta-da! Good old deoxit will flood the bloody thing and hopefully get some results. I'd like to be able to wipe the contacts, but I don't know if I've got anything fine enough to get in there, so these alligator clips are like huge. So it could well be that the intermittency was actually this relay for the left channel. Well, yeah, in fact it must be, because that's what I was finding. I was able to press the board and the signal was still coming in from playback but not going out, and it would on the output would come and go depending on flexing the board. So yeah, this relay is faulty on both left and right, just in different ways. The right is totally gone and the left is intermittent. So channel, yep. Now the test, right channel. Now we got it. It's actually working now. Right, beauty. Alright, let's put that back in, and with a bit of luck we might have sound in both channels. By the way, I'm using a tape that I recorded 2 hours of tone on, so I can just keep going. Oops, turn that on. Oh, left, right. Yes, 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 yes. So, left, right. We've got it in both channels now. It's strange, shorting that relay, doing exactly what I did by cleaning the contacts, created a vastly different result. I must have done something wrong. I must have accidentally soldered the wires on improperly or something. But anyway, now it's good. Excellent. Well, that's a bit of success. So I should be able to play some music now. Dame Kiri Takanawa. Well, that's terrific. Sounds quite nice, and I'm sure the azimuth and everything is way off. Well, that is a really successful day. 2 major faults, a faulty relay on the main board and a faulty shorted orange cap on the playback Dolby daughter board. Now some of these other controls aren't working. I expected the external switch and the Dolby switch to make a difference, but no, it hasn't. So there'll be things to try and sort out eventually. But the main thing is that. Oh, so good. I guess the next thing will be to try to do a recording. But I think that might be it for tonight. I think I'll class that as a win. And I think, yeah, that's a win. How about that? I might clean out that relay. I used deoxide, but I think what I'll do is use some clear contact cleaner. Leaves no residue. So I have a feeling that should be a little bit better. Left and right, either side. Anyway, it was dirty. That little clear cover comes off, and I sprayed it with deoxide, but I'm now going to going to clean it out with some contact no residue cleaner to make it safer. Right, there we go. Right, so where were we? Okay, it's back to putting this together and seeing what the audio is like and progressing. Well, I'm back on the 1000 ZXL, and the job today is to replace these relays. bit hard to see. I'll move the camera. But I also found that there's a third one. I kept reading that there was 3, and I thought, where could it be? Anyway, it turns out it's on one of the daughter boards, and it's right there. So I've got online and ordered another one. Wish I had have realised it earlier. I could have got the 3 at the same time. But anyway, this one is it's just on a daughter board, so it'll be easy to replace when I eventually get it from China. It'll probably take a month, but that's all right. I'm pretty sure it should work. It actually looks as though it's been soldered. Interesting. Anyway, I'll get to it. That way I can get into here. Here they are on this side. Those 2 there. So I'll unsolder them. Right, these are the 2 new ones I've got from China. Slightly different part number. It's got a P4 on the end instead of P, but I don't think that matters. Yeah, the third one I'm going to have to do much later. Oh well. While I wait for the new one, I might spray a bit of deoxit in this other third relay that's on the daughter board. It won't hurt while I'm waiting for a new one. So, oops, oh shit. Got to be careful taking it off. Righto. Right. A little bit of contact cleaner. So be it.